I celebrate Katherine Johnson. Knowing that she was part of a team that was able to take astronauts to the moon and back really inspires me.
Hedy Lamarr, she pioneered the technology that formed the basis for today's Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth. She did all this while being a phenomenal actress in the 1940s.
One of the women I admire is Melinda French Gate because she promotes opportunity for women in tech industries.
I celebrate Ada Lovelace as a pioneering woman in tech. She's a hardcore scientist and mathematician, and I love the fact that she's considered the original programmer.
Radia Perlman is a 29-year-old computer scientist that was responsible for developing an algorithm that took the image of the very first black hole.
I celebrate Dorothy Vaughan, who worked in the Human Computing Department at NASA, taught herself and her teammates how to program the computer at NASA so they wouldn't lose their job.
The woman I celebrate and look up to is my mother. She was a brilliant engineer, very creative and innovative.